Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the cdp.dll file is missing error that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and the poor error message show cdp.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Try installing the program again using the original installations media or contact your system administrator or the software vendor for support with the error status 0LX C000006 kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung RAM and then click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa run and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na msconfig. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, pop-up itong kanyang system configurations. Okay, so ang next step dito ay dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services. And then, dito sa services, dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click to hide all Microsoft services. So, check mo itong box. And then once na-check mo na yan, dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong disable all. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Right? So, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so do this another solutions. So, dito na sa taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then dito sa task manager, ang next step dito sa left side menu, select mo lang dito yung startup apps. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa mga startup applications ay kailangan lang natin itong i-disable lahat. Okay? So, sinik mo lang dito yung applications, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then sinik mo lang dito yung disabled. Okay? So, kailangan i-disable lahat ito. Right? So, if the error still persists again, so ang next solution natin gagawin, suppose lang natin, dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung cmd, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you save user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then, click mo lang yan. And then, press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicing and management tool. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So in all is more later na hat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong cmd, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So i-click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix cdp.dll file is missing error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.